anak, Lady C. Bulo kang tinangga kay ka na mo sa mga mama.
I wish you all the best. I always pray for good health and protection. And we are forever grateful to the Lord that He gave you to us. So you are our answered prayer. You are our miracle.
Ayan, nara dyan dire permanente para sa imo ha. Suporta o mugabay. Kung di ka na mo pabayaan, mahalon ka na mo, pinanggaon.
We're not in a hurry, fly through all the worry like a kite to the blue sky above. Soaking in the good life, drinking in the daylight, sweeter than a sugar rush. All we need is here, the water's crystal clear.
So may the coming years and decades be full of love, adventure, and many blessings.
Nara dyan dire, masuporta dyan sa imo kung sa mga decisions labaw na pagdako ni mo pohon. All the way nga pagdako ni mo among ginaampo jud nga healthy ka and syempre stay strong pag face sa mga challenges na labaw na pagdako ni mo.
Chocolate, cholokoy.
Chocolate, chocolate.
Ay, sorry, you're out. Pag lumaki ka na, ano ang yung kukunin trabaho?
Engineer ako.
Unsa trabaho sa engineer?
Panday.
Oh, panday. Si kuya magiging police o engineer, si ate magiging teacher. Ikaw, unsa imong gusto pagdako?
Artist.
Oh.
I want you to know that we will always be here for you. So, maalam si Mama o si Papa ko. Happy birthday once again!
And Timan I love kay ka na mo. And happy birthday and I love you so much.